So if you're a brand new owner of a Kia Soul like my mom, it didn't come with the spare tire. Comes with the tire, everything you need. So first thing you do is just remove the come up in here. Take that apart, pull this off completely. Okay, and you're gonna remove this. Okay, and this is all due for weight and fuel economy. This actually has Fix-A-Flat in it and a compressor so you can air it up. But if you have a blowout, you're kind of screwed. So first thing you do is just loosen this up. Simple, simple, simple. That on the side, pull this out. And you want to make sure that you put the spare facing down, flat, just like that. Line it up real good. Put your screw back on. Make sure this is good and tight. Don't want to over tighten it, but you want to make sure it's snug, so don't be bouncing around in here. Okay, simple enough. Just make sure it's snug in there. Like I said, it don't have to be too tight because you'll strip it out. But you want it not to be bouncing around. Then you just grab your kit. It comes with the jack and everything. Got the hook in there. Place it in there. Put it in there snug. Okay, simple enough. Then you gotta grab your tray back in there. Now the other kit's just supposed to go away, but I put mine back. I put hers back anyway, just in case we need it. So it should just fit right there, no problems. This one is. So this will not fit, just to let you know. I guess if you want, you can take it out of the package and put it in here separately or whatnot. I think we're just gonna leave it out for now. I mean, we got the spare, so we're safe. Put your board back. Make sure that it slides into the little things right here. Make sure that goes in there right. We're bouncing around on both sides. Make sure that slides into that back corner. That slides into that back corner. That's good, nice and tight. And then just put your thing back. And voila, you're safe. You got a spare now. Just remember that you don't have the compressor no more unless you put it in there. And now you got a spare in case you get a blowout. Oh, one more thing, let me show you the labels. If you want, you can change this label, I would, just in case you take it for service. They know how much to put in your tires. This is on the door handle, or the inside door jamb, the driver's side. So they gave you two. I think just one is okay, because that's usually what we check at work. So after you change that, you're all done. You got a spare in case you have a blowout. It's kind of ridiculous that they don't tell you at the dealership that you don't have a spare. And I've seen some articles where people are getting really pissed off because they're out on the side of the road with a flat and they don't have a spare. So I recommend getting you a spare unless you have roadside assistance. And then you can have it towed, but then of course you got to pay the fee. So, like, comment on this video. If you have any questions, I'll get back to you. Thumbs up if you want more videos like this. Okay, thanks.